Okay, so today I don't have work yet. It's January 2nd and my school doesn't start until tomorrow. So today I'm doing a massive room cleaning. This is what my room looks like right now. It's kind of a mess. And this section right here is what I'm going to be focusing a lot on. I've bought some new bookshelves and things from IKEA, so I'm going to reorganize this because right now this is not okay. Look at that. Okay, so I'll be building the shelf later and I'm going to be cleaning all of this up right now and getting rid of things that I don't need. So let me show you guys the before video. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, I live in a living room and optimizing my space is super important. I bought this bench off of Craigslist for about $20 and it's cute, but it doesn't really do a great job of displaying all my items. It's definitely becoming a place where I just leave all of my crap, so I'm so ready for this new change. And here is my underwear and sock drawer, and I think I'm gonna just move this to where my closet is. Okay, and that's me, and that's about it for my before video. Okay, so before I get started, I'm gonna change into shorts, but I wanted to show you guys something. I was trying on a skirt that I found in my old house before I came back here, and it doesn't really fit, but I was determined to make it fit because it's so cute. So I tried out the method where you put a hair tie around the buttons and it makes it looser, so I think it looks pretty cool. No? I don't know. You guys see that? Better lighting. So I have it on these two right here. And it does fit around me without the waist or the hair ties, but it doesn't feel comfortable and I definitely can't eat with it, so I decided to do this. Would you guys judge me if I wore this out on the street? I feel like it actually looks okay, but I don't know. Yeah, so let me show you the whole skirt. And this is a Niners crew neck that I borrowed from my boyfriend. He told me that none of these players are even on the team anymore. So, but they're so cute. Look at them. So happy. Okay, anyways, yeah. So I think I might go out with this, but for now I'm gonna change into shorts so I can clean this up. Okay, so I cleared out the shelf and I made food too, so it's not part of the project, but I have unboxed the IKEA shelf and it's supposed to look at the end like this beautiful shelf. I hope it's pretty tall too. And I feel so bad. I realized I didn't have a screwdriver, so my boyfriend was bringing me one, and then I realized I need a hammer, but he was already on the way, and I was like, hey, did you leave your place yet? And he called me, he's like, what do you need? I was like, no, nothing, if you already left. But he was so nice, and he went back and he got it, or he's going to go get it right now too, and he's so sweet. He's like, okay, but you have to promise me that we're gonna play a game of Yahtzee. So that's what he's gonna get for coming over and bringing all the tools I need. We're gonna play some Yahtzee after. But yes, okay, I'll show you what it's gonna look like afterwards. Just sitting here watching some YouTube. Yeah, waiting for my babe. Okay, see you soon. You figured it out. Hi. Alright, we're making progress. Look at it. Oh yeah. So I did all of the work. And my okay, I did 50% of the work as we were watching Black Mirror. We're almost done. And we're tired. I'm tired.
We're both tired. Someone's gonna give me a massage later.
Bye. Alright, it is what time? 7:34. And we're finally done. I don't know what time we started, but the sun was out. Here we go. Here's the shelf. I was put all this junk on it. Thank you to my babe for helping.
Anything for you.
Okay, here we go. Alright, so that is the complete bookshelf. It's pretty nice. I like it. Much neater than my old thing. Okay, we're gonna go eat dessert and go to sleep now, but thanks for watching. He's already asleep. Look at him. Bye. So we're playing Yahtzee, and guess who got a Yahtzee? Look at that. My twos. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, winner.